Are you looking to build a rewarding career in tech? Do you want to work on exciting projects and be in high demand? If so, then learning full-stack Python in 2024 might be the perfect choice for you.
Full-stack Python developers are in high demand, and with that demand comes excellent salaries. According to industry reports, the average salary for full-stack Python developers is among the highest in the tech industry.
The tech industry is booming, and Python has become a staple language for web development, data science, machine learning, and more. By mastering full-stack Python, you can future-proof your career and ensure a secure professional future.
Full-stack Python developers have a wide range of job opportunities available to them. From startups to established tech companies, the demand for Python developers is across the board, giving you the flexibility to choose the work environment that suits you best.
Python's versatility and ease of use have contributed to its widespread adoption across industries. As a result, full-stack Python developers are in high demand, with companies actively seeking professionals who can work with the full stack of web technologies.
So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding career path with great earning potential, job security, and exciting opportunities, then learning full-stack Python in 2024 could be your ticket to success.
And don't forget to check out our playlist of full-stack Python training course where free notes are also included. Be the part of this training course for more valuable content on mastering full-stack Python. See you in the training course.